Swiss Home Garden, Chitra here. In this video, we will be unboxing a 2-in-1 hand blender, and I will also be demonstrating this blender. Let's begin. This mixer is from a brand called Camry. I've never really heard of it, and I got to know about it from my daughter. She said there is a blender which can do both, and then I had to look and I found this on Amazon. I will leave the link below in the description box. Some of the features of this is that it is having a maximum power of 700 watts. Then it has a smooth speed settings and the turbo function, and ready to go jar is there, and there is the motor is not very silent, and it has an LED illuminated buttons. So the maximum power is 700 watts for this one. There's an instruction manual, and this is the model CR4615. This is the one for making the smoothie. This is the blade. Then I like is this rod mixer. This looks a lot smaller than the one I had from Brown, but it's okay if it serves the purpose. This is the lid for the bottle to go jar, and this is the jar 500 milliliter. And then this is the motor. Nicely packed, everything as it should be. And 220 to 240. It's not as powerful as the older one which we had. So there, it's just these two clips, and then it has up to 6. Then you have the turbo speed. Now I want to try out just pressing comes out. It's very simple, so let me demonstrate. The smoothie jar, and then I can use it like this. So let me demonstrate to you how this works. I'm pretty eager. So you just take the smoothie so you don't make a mess. There you have the jar. We ordered this from Germany, but this plug works. It's just a two-way plug, so it works in our Swiss one. I should admit that this needs a lot more power. It's not as powerful as Brown, but it does the job. fix it here. actually done a good job for the smoothie, and I can just close it and drink it. There you have my smoothie. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you for watching. I will leave the link below in the description box of this blender. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. I post one new video every week on food from scratch, Swiss country living, gardening and natural recipes. See you in my next video. Bye bye.